So I cut my butternut squash open and into chunks, but I make sure I use a sharp knife. And when I'm cutting through the tough outer layer, I use rocking motion to get through that toughness. And so I just chop them up into chunks. It's pretty tough, so you just use that rocking motion back and forth so you can get through it. And then I'm going to place my chunks in my pot with my steaming grate. And I have some water in there. I probably put too much water in this time. I don't need this much water. The water, I usually don't allow it to pass the steaming grate, but hey, it's okay that the water went a little past the grate. So I'll leave this in here for about 15 minutes. At that point, I think we should be good. So I cover it up and I just let it steam. And in about 15 minutes, it should be ready. And then it'll be so hot, so I let it cool off in a pan. Once it's cooled off and I can hold it in my hands again, I just remove it from the outer layer, which is no longer hard, it's soft. And then I just prepare it whichever way I like to prepare it. I usually like to puree my butternut squash. So this squash is ready to go. That was my hack. I just steam it first and then I peel it away from the skin. Truly hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Much love.